Welcome to Tech Updates. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and family members. In today's video, we will be sharing new updates regarding to the Instagram. Meta has been working on cross-platform messaging for a long time, but it has largely been limited to its own suite of social apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, up till now. Instagram has introduced a new update to its phone app that lets you send reels and other content directly to other social apps. This eliminates the extra step of copying links on Instagram, opening other apps, and sending them to your friends. Now you can just tap the share button and reach your friends directly from Instagram. The update has already been rolled out worldwide and is available in Pakistan too. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. To use this feature, simply tap the share button, paper plane icon, below Instagram posts or reels to open the share menu. This will show the usual list of your Instagram contacts, but underneath it is a horizontal scrolling menu showing all apps you can send links to. Here it is what looks like. The list of social apps currently includes Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and your default SMS apps. Perhaps more will be added with future updates, but there is no information in that record just yet. For more informative and technology related videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.